So here she goes. Yeah, she loves playing alone. She does really well by herself. She really likes this ripple rug. Whoop, it fell over. Yes, yes, whoops, where you going? Where you going? You got toys there. Come on, come on, come on. Back this way, yeah, oh yeah. I know she can grab onto the ripple rug better than the hardwood floor, and she adores this tunnel. Oh my gosh. Hey, hey. Oh yeah, look at you go. Look at you go. Yes. Yeah. You're going to go in it? Oh, there she goes. Yes. There she goes. Yeah. I think there was a ball hanging on the end of that thing. It looks like it's gone. Yeah. She's a wonderful cat. She really is. Oh, oh. Oh, chew on it. Yeah, go ahead. Good, chew. She must be teething. And those little white tufts behind her ears, it looks like somebody dipped, they didn't, but it looks like a bad dye job where the black is showing and then the white is just at the tips. So I would be surprised if they stay. What, Rami? Yeah, yeah, Remi, yeah, yeah. Okay, that's enough for now. You can just video this girl forever. Time for me to have coffee. Good morning, everybody.